Hello everyone, good morning. We have completed worksheet 5 of chapter 1. Now we move on to next topic, division of whole numbers. Here are some properties. We will discuss one by one. Property 1. If two whole numbers are divided, then their quotient may or may not be a whole number. Right? Here suppose we have two numbers 3 and 6, two whole numbers 3 and 6. If we take 3 divided by 6, then it will become 1 by 2, right? But it is not a whole number. But if we take 6 divided by 3, it will become 2. 3 2 is 6, right? So our answer is 2. So here 2 is a whole number. So it may or may not, right? Second property. A number divided by itself gives a quotient as 1. For example, suppose we take the number divided by itself, that is a divided. 5 divided by 5 is 1. We will get 1 always. If we take 8 divided by 8, then we will also get 1, right? Third property. A number divided by 1 gives the quotient as a number itself. Suppose we take a number 4 and we divide it by 1. And 4 divided by 1 is 4. If we take 6 divided by 1 is 6. So it is the number itself, right? Fourth property. A multiplication fact of two distinct and non-zero whole numbers gives two division facts. We will discuss it. We will understand it by an example, right? Suppose we take two whole numbers 4 and 5. And we take their multiplication. 4 multiply 5 is 20, right? From this, we can get two division facts. What are these and how can we get? See, our after multiplication we get 20, right? Right? If we divide 20 by 4, then we get the second number 5. Right? 4 5 is 20. And if we divide 20, our multiplication answer, by second number 5, that is 20 divided by 5, we get the first number. It means by multiplication of two numbers, you get two division facts. If you divide this multiplication answer by any number, then you get the second number as your answer. Right? Fifth property. 0 divided by any number gives the quotient as 0. See example here. 0 divided by 3. 0 divided by 3 is always 0. 3 0 is 0, right? And suppose if I take 0 divided by 10, it will also be 0. So if we divide 0 by any number, we will get 0 as our answer always, right? I hope you have understood all these properties. Dear students, now we will start with worksheet 6. Question number 1. Divide and check your answer. A part. 2781 divided by 35. First of all, we will divide. Right? Here dividend is 2781 and divisor is 35. Right? Now see. First we will see what is the dividend here? Dividend is 2781, right? If we take only first two digits 27, then it is smaller than 35. Then it will not go on table of 35. Now, so we take 3 digits here, 278. Now, how do we check on which table it will go? Suppose we take 8. And 8 3 ja multiply 8 with 3. 8 3 ja 24. It can go. First we will check. 35 8 ja. 8 5 ja 40. 8 3 ja 24. 24 and 4 28. 280. But here 280 is greater than 278. So it will go on 7. On table of 7. So we will multiply 35 with 7. What will come? 7 5 ja 35. Here is 3 carry. 7 3 ja 21. 21 and 3. 24. 245. It can go because 245 is smaller than 278. Right? Now we will subtract. 8 minus 5 is 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. And 2 minus 2 is 0. Now here is 33. 33 is less than 35. So we take one digit down. Right? It will become 331. Right? Now here is 33. How do we check on which table it will come? If we take 9, 9 3 ja 27, right? So it can come. So we will check. 35 9 ja 9 5 ja 45. Here carries 4. 9 3 ja 27. 27 and 4 31. It is 315. 315 is less than 331, right? So now we subtract. Here we will take borrow from 3. It will become 2 and 2 minus 1 is 1 and it will become 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. So here remainder is 16. Now we have quotient as, Q is for quotient. Quotient as 79 and R is the remainder. Remainder is 16. Now we check our answer. How do we check? You know very well the statement that dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Here D is for divisor, right? So first of all we will take LHS, left hand side. Left hand side is dividend. What is the dividend? 2781, right? Now we take right hand side, RHS. What is right hand side here? D into D multiplied by Q plus R, which is equal to, D is the divisor. Divisor is 35. Multiply by quotient. Quotient is 79 and plus remainder. Remainder is 16. So we will multiply 35 and 79 first, right? You can multiply it in rough work, right? It will be 2765 plus 16. And add these numbers. It will be 2781, which is same as left hand side, dividend, right? So LHS equal to RHS, right? Hence check. Next is C part. 7335 divided by 122. So here the dividend is 7335 and divisor is 122. How do we check on which table it will come? See, here is 1 and here is 7. So we will check on table of 7. 1 7 ja 7, right? It can go. We will check. 122 multiply by 7. 7 2 ja 14, carry 1. 7 2 ja 14 and 1 15, carry 1. 7 1 ja 7 plus 1 8. Oh, it is greater than 733. It cannot go, right? So we will check for the previous number, then 7, which is 6, right? So we will check on 6. 122 multiply by 6. 6 2 ja 12, carry 1. 6 2 ja 12 again. 12 plus 1 13, again carry 1. 6 1 ja 6 and 1 7. 732. See, it is less than 733, right? So we will take 6. Now subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0 and 7 minus 7 is also 0. Here left is 1. So we will take one digit down, take 5 down. Now see, here we have 15, right? And the divisor is 122. It is smaller than 122, right? 15 is smaller than, less than 122. So we will take 0 on table of 0, it will go. As we take 5 down, and it is not going on any table because it is less than 122. So we take here 0. So 122 multiplied by 0, 0, right? So here is remainder 15. So quotient is 60 and remainder is 15. Now we will check whether our answer is correct or not. To check, we will apply dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. First of all, we will take left hand side. Left hand side is dividend. Dividend is 7335. Now we take right hand side, RHS. RHS is D multiplied by Q plus R. D is for divisor. Divisor is 122 multiplied by quotient. Quotient is 60 and plus remainder. R is the remainder. Now we will first multiply. We will get 7320. You can multiply it in rough, right? Plus 15. So after addition, we will get 7335, which is same as dividend, which is same as LHS, right? So LHS equal to RHS, hence checked. Dear students, we have done part A and C of question number 1. Part B and D, you will try yourself. Next is question number 2. Find the least number that should be subtracted from 1000 so that 35 divides the difference exactly. First of all, we will divide 1000 by 35. Here 1000 is the dividend, right? And 35 is the divisor. Here we will take first 100, right? Because if we take 10 and 10 is less than 35, so we will take 3 digits, 100. Now we check on which table it will come, right? We want here 100. So check. If we check on table of 3, 3 3 ja 9, it can come. So we will check 35 multiply by 3. What will come? 5 3 ja 15. 3 3 ja 9 and 1 10. It is 105, right? But 105 is greater than 100. So we will take the previous number from 3, which is 2. So 35 multiplied by 2 is 70. You can check it, right? You can multiply it in rough. 35 multiplied by 2 is 70. Now subtract 0 minus 0 is 0 and 10 minus 7 is 3. Now here is 30, which is less than 35. So we will take 1 digit down, take 0 down. It will become 300. Now we will check on which table it will come. Here is 3 and here is 30, right? If we take, suppose 7, 7 3 ja 21. We can take bigger number 8, 8 3 ja 24. We can check on table of 8. 35 multiplied by 8. 8 5 ja 40. 8 3 ja 24. 25 plus 24 plus 4 is 28. Right? We can take bigger number 9. 9 3 ja 27. We will check and then see what will come. 35 9 ja 9 5 ja 45. Carry 4. 9 3 ja 27. 27 and 4 is 31. 315, but it is greater than 300. So it will go on table of 8, which is 280. So 35 8 ja 280. Now we will subtract. And you get 20 as remainder. Right? Now see, since here is the remainder 20, that means 35 is not dividing 1000 exactly, right? So 20 is the extra number, right? We should remove this extra number in order that 35 divides the number exactly. If we subtract 20 from 1000, the division will be exact, right? Here you can do it in rough work that if you subtract 20 from 1000, you will get 980. And you can see here 35 divides 980 exactly. That is here remainder is 0. Right? This is a rough work. You can check. Right? So Here is the remainder 20. So 20 should be subtracted from 1000. Next is question number 3. Find the least number that should be added to 2000 so that 45 divides the sum exactly. Here we have to find the least number that we add to 2000 so that the number that will come after addition, that is completely divisible by, exactly divisible by 45, right? So first we divide 2000 by 45. You can divide it, right? Here we get remainder 20. Now we find the least number which we add to 2000 so that it will be exactly divisible by 45. And here see, already 20 is the remainder, right? So in order to find that number, we will subtract 20, that is the remainder. We will subtract remainder from divisor. That is, we will subtract 20 from 45. It will be 25. Or you can see it in other way, that what should be added or what should be added to this remainder so that the number is exactly divisible by 45. So what can we add to 20? We can add 25. That means 20 plus 25 is 45, right? So simply you have to find the number that we add to 20 in order to get 45, right? That we subtract 45, we subtract 20 from 45 and you get the answer. Next is question number 4. Find the largest 5-digit number which is exactly divisible by 40. Now you have to find the largest 5-digit number exactly divisible by 40. So first you must know what is the largest 5-digit number. It is 99,999. So first of all you will divide this number by 40 and find out what is the remainder. You can divide it, right? So here remainder is 39. Now see here, you have to find the largest 5-digit number. And when you have divided this number, this largest 5-digit number by 40, you have got a remainder. And that remainder is 39. That is 39 is extra. So we subtract 39 from this largest 5-digit number. So what we got here? You subtract 39. You have got 99,960. So this number will be exactly divisible by 40. And this is your answer, right? Next is question number 5. In a parade, the soldiers are arranged in 14 rows. If the number of soldiers is 504, find the number of soldiers in each row. Here see, how many rows are there? 14 rows. So number of rows is equal to 14. And total number of soldiers is 504. Right? See here, what to do? We have to divide the total number of soldiers in each row. Right? In 14 rows. All of the 14 rows. So how can we do it? We will divide 504 by 14. So that we can get the number of soldiers in each row, right? So we divide 504 by 14. First is 14 3 42 and 50 minus 42 is 8, right? And we will take 4 down, it will be 84 and 14 6 84. Now we subtract, it will be 0. So 0 is the remainder, it is exactly divisible. So we have divided the number of soldiers in rows, 14 rows, and the number of soldiers in each row is 36. That is our answer. Next is question number 6. In a dance class, 137 students got themselves enrolled. If the total fee collected is rupees 3,56,200, find the fee paid by each student. We have to find the fee paid by each student. Right? Total number of students are 137. And the total fee collected is rupees 3,56,200. We have to divide this fees into 137 students. So we divide this number by 137 and you got the answer. Your quotient is the answer. So this question you will try yourself. Alright. Now we have completed worksheet 6 of chapter 1. I hope you have understood all the questions very well.